Hi everyone, I'm Kelli Nold with the Nold Group, and today I'm here in Venice, Florida, more specifically Gran Paradiso. Wow, not only is this community gated and maintenance free, but it is amenities rich. Inside the gates of this Tuscan inspired community, you're going to find things like the beautiful clubhouse, complete with a sauna and spa. We've got a game room, a library, an office center. We've also got a massage room for your relaxation. And don't forget that beautiful tropical style saltwater pool right out back where you can relax and enjoy. But what I really want to tell you about is this wonderful brand new listing we have, the Oakmont model. This home is 2,365 square feet of living, 3-car garage, and 4 bedrooms, 2.5 baths. So let's just go ahead in and take a look at how wonderful this home is. And it's just beautiful. Come on, let's go.